Are you tired of constant lawn maintenance in the Arizona heat? Look no further. We specialize in synthetic grass installations right here in Avondale, Arizona. Our premium synthetic grass provides the perfect solution for homeowners and businesses seeking a lush, green lawn without the hassle of watering, mowing, or dealing with dead patches. Whether it's your backyard, front yard, or commercial property, we've got you covered with high quality, durable, and environmentally friendly turf. Why choose synthetic grass? Not only does it save water, essential in our dry Arizona climate, but it also saves you time and money on maintenance. Imagine a lawn that stays green all year long and looks stunning with zero effort. As the trusted synthetic grass installers in Avondale, Arizona, we pride ourselves on delivering professional service, tailored designs, and flawless installations. Our expert team ensures every project is done right the first time, transforming your outdoor space into a beautiful, usable area you'll love for years to come. Ready to upgrade your lawn? Call us today at 520-253-7600 for a free consultation. Don't wait. Let's make your dream lawn a reality.